Tabo, Chini, Planery Seassion is Chini flag hosting night. Now YTF ni flag do hoist high night Chini Central ni YTF ni President Borong Nangsar Suros de Burma. Get the promoter
YTF have come here and gathered here across from the state of the union. Today we have come here for the discussion of the plenary session. It is today and tomorrow. In the plenary, we have been discussing for the how to strengthen our party in the upcoming days. And in this plenary, we doesn't come here as a YTF. We come here for sharing our love, for sharing our memories of YTF, because what our Maharaj told us, we are as a family here today. We'll be sitting together, we'll be holding our night together here in Agartala itself, and we'll be here as a brotherhood organizations. And today, we just came here on behalf of YTF to just spread out across the state that is love, Hansa, nothing else. And in the upcoming days, we would like to say how to help our people, since now as the summer season has come up across the state, and how to give in the places of water crisis, how to help our people, and many crises happening throughout the state. We are helping, and on that reason we came here and we organized a plenary session for 2 days today.
Bwkhak.